In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Facebook Marketplace not showing up. If Marketplace has disappeared or items won't load, don't worry. Let's walk through a clear set of fixes you can try right now. First, check your navigation bar settings. Sometimes the Marketplace icon is just hidden from your shortcuts. On mobile, open the menu, the three-line icon, then go to Settings and Privacy and tap Settings. Scroll down to Navigation Bar, then choose Customize the bar. Look for Marketplace in the list. If it shows as hidden, switch it to Auto or Pin so it stays visible. After you change it, return to the main screen and give the app a second to refresh. If the icon is there but content won't load, clear the cache and refresh. On Android, open your phone settings, go to Apps, find Facebook, tap Storage, and choose Clear Cache. This only removes temporary files. It won't delete your account, post, or messages. On desktop, perform a hard refresh of the page to reload everything from the server. Press Ctrl plus F5 on Windows, or CMD plus Shift plus R on a Mac. If the issue persists, you can also clear your browser's cookies and site data just for Facebook, noting that you might be signed out afterward. If you're on a tablet and see a white or blank page, try the orientation flip. Make sure screen rotation is unlocked, then physically rotate your device from landscape to portrait or the other way around. This simple motion often snaps the interface back into place and makes the listings reappear instantly. If Marketplace says it's unavailable, verify account eligibility. Your account must be set to 18 years or older. Marketplace is also region specific, so confirm your current city is in a supported country and that your location settings reflect where you are. Finally, very new accounts can have a short waiting period before Marketplace becomes fully visible, so a little patience may be required. If none of that works, force a reset, log out of Facebook and log back in to refresh your session with the servers. If the app still misbehaves, try visiting facebook.com/marketplace in a mobile or desktop browser like Chrome or Safari to see if listings appear there. Also, check for restrictions. Go to Menu, then Help and Support, and open Support Inbox to see if your access was paused due to a listing issue. Follow these steps in order, and you should have Marketplace back in no time. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get your listings and feeds working again.